In this video, we demonstrate a one-day workflow for fabricating a cross-flow membrane microfluidic device at benchside. First, pour rapid HD resin into the vat and initiate printing on the ProFluidics 285D. After printing, remove the molds and clean them thoroughly with IPA. Next, cast PDMS directly onto the printed molds and cure them in an oven. Once cured, peel off the PDMS from the molds. Plasma bond each interface for 30 seconds. For the membrane structure, insert a 50 micrometers filter between the first and second PDMS layers. Then align and stack the third layer to complete the device assembly. Using this workflow, the cross-flow membrane device can be fabricated and ready for experimental use in one day. Your research at benchside. Bring it to your lab.